What's going on, guys? Alex aka Miggy here. In today's video we're going to be unboxing, well, sort of half unboxing, my latest work and travel laptop. Now this bad boy, it's actually an ASUS ZenBook, which pretty much has become my favorite brand as far as laptops and computers goes. I'm not a Mac boy fan. I detest Apple products. I think they're overpriced junk. I mean, sometimes they do come up with good technology, but overall I'm a Windows guy.
Apple, Amazon, Disney. If ASUS started a streaming service, you'd call your agent, wouldn't you?
Always have been, always will be. And yeah, let's just show you guys, for example, if you rely on working off your laptop and you're constantly on the move, what is a good solution to get as far as notebooks go to work remotely or work when you travel? So let's have a look at this boy. Now this laptop, like I said, is kind of like a half unboxing because I already kind of opened it. But this is an ASUS ZenBook. It's 14-inch. It's called UX434FLC. It's got a 14-inch monitor. It's an LED backlit FHD. The resolution is 1920 by 1080. 60Hz glare touchscreen. So you can touchscreen this bad boy. It's Intel Core i7 1051 processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX250, so you can do video graphics editing, you can play games, and you can obviously do some serious work of this laptop. It comes with 2 GB of GDDR5 video RAM, and it's got 1 TB of SSD hard drive space. It's got 16 GB of RAM, the DDR4, and yeah, it's a pretty cool little laptop. Let's take a look at it. So that's first of all, that's the charger that comes with it. Very handy, very light. The best thing about this laptop is it weighs 1.2 kilos. 1.2 kilos, guys.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Very, very light. So I can literally hold it just like that. No problems at all. So this is what it looks like when you're looking at it from the top. Very nice color. You know, kind of like a polished blue. This is how it is. The keyboard layout is brilliant. You can work on it. You can also, the great thing about this laptop is you get to use this trackpad as well. Let's fire it up for a second. Now this laptop, see, check that out. How cool is that screen pad? You can sign in with a PIN, you can sign in with a password, or you can sign in with your face. It's got a facial recognition software installed. Very, very nice little laptop. Perfect for traveling, because my previous laptop, I've been an avid ASUS fan since 2013 when I bought my Republic of Gamers laptop. So I'm still setting up this laptop. As far as you can see how this one lights up, and it has a range of different shortcuts here. You can drag things into here. It's pretty brilliant as far as that things go. It's just, yeah, this is the first laptop I see that has this function. So yeah, I mean, personally I don't like using this as a trackpad for a mouse normally, but you can see how much bigger this one is compared to other laptops out there, and it also lights up as a screen. So that's brilliant in my opinion. It's just, yeah, it's a lot of different things you can do. Highly guarantee this laptop, guys, if you're always on the move and you want to get something that's really light and very comfortable to use, definitely go for something like this. I've already started installing my favorite programs such as Epic Privacy Browser, Brave Browser, Opera Browser. I'm not a big fan of Google Chrome anymore, and I think Mozilla Firefox is a little bit too heavy on the memory. So I gotta install my Adobe Premiere Pro for my video editing, and yeah, pretty much set up all my shortcuts. I carry with myself a little SSD hard disk, which looks like a chocolate bar, weighs hardly anything. This one's 1 terabyte, so this laptop has already 1 terabyte of SSD memory on it, and this one also has 1 terabyte on here, so that's plenty of memory for me. Yeah, on the go. So I'm going to be using this one when I go traveling overseas. It's just brilliant. I can easily put it in my backpack, which is like this. Why it's good. Whereas before with my previous laptop, I could not do that because it was just far too big and far too heavy. Because my other laptop, which I had since 2013, is 17 inches. Real men have small laptops. Anyway guys, this one is pretty much brand new. It's just hit the markets here in Australia. I bought it for $1,950 from Centacom. It's really cool, not that expensive, and quite powerful. And like I said, great for working, great for video editing, and you can also play games on this bad boy. So yeah, definitely recommend it. I'm not getting sponsored for this video at all, it's just my own little review here. Definitely recommend it, guys. Check it out if you like traveling on the light side. If you guys want to boost your energy levels through the roof and do it naturally, check out cocoateaexpress.com. That's cocoateaexpress.com for natural cocoa tea products. It'll help you boost your energy levels, it'll help you lose weight naturally, and enjoy life to the fullest.
Drop the bass, Kitty.
And if you want to protect your online privacy and help my channel out at the same time, visit drivenanddesired.com/NordVPN. If you sign up through that link, I will earn a small commission to keep this channel as well as my other projects like drivenanddesired.com going. Take us out, kitty.
I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think?